Hello aspirants, I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from Incar IAS Academy. Today we are going to see about the India Curriculum Summit, that is 21 November current affairs. This topic taken from Delhi edition, which is comes under the GS2 bilateral regional and global groupings and agreements involving India and or affecting India's interest. First of all, we must know that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has proposed seven key pillars to strengthen the ties between the India and the Caribbean community, asserting that New Delhi is totally committed to tackling this relation to new heights. That Modi remarked as a joint leader from the Caribbean partner countries and also the second India's Caribbean Community Summit in Georgetown. The Prime Minister arrived Guinea earlier in the day. The first visit by an Indian head of the state is more than 50 years. The PM Narendra Modi co-chaired and the second Indian CARICOM summit along with PM Dicom on Gerenda. The current chair, CARICOM, the Minister of External Affairs, said in a post on X. During this summit, the Prime Minister Modi proposed seven key pillars to strengthen ties between the CARICOM. The seven pillars listed by Modi, also from the acronym CARICOM, that is, they are capacity building, agriculture, food security, renewable energy, and climate change, innovation, technology, and trade, cricket and culture, ocean economy and medicine, healthcare. The Caribbean Community and Common Market is a group of 20 developing countries in the Caribbean. They have come together to form an economic and political community that works together to shape policies for the region and also encouraging the economic growth and trade. It is a major activities which is involved that coordination of economic policy and developing planning, devising the institutional special project for the less developed countries with its jurisdiction, operating as a regional single market for many of the members in the CARICOM single market and also handling regional trade disputes. The Secretariat headquarters in the Georgetown, CARICOM is a official United Nations observer beneficiary. The 15 full-time countries, that is Antigua, Barbuda, Bahamas, Barbados, Belize, Dominica, Guyana, Haiti, Jamaica, Montserrat, Saint Lucia, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Saint Vincent, and the Suriname, Trinidad, Tobago. The associate member of these countries are Cayman Islands and Turcos Caicos. India CARICOM, that is the prior to the alliance, while India had diplomatic relation with the individual Caribbean community for a long time. India thought that developing relation with the CARICOM countries is a group much later. As a result, CARICOM delegation visited India in 2003. It is a major outcome of the visit was that an agreement was signed between the India and the CARICOM secretary for establishing a standing joint commission on consultation, the cooperation, and also the coordination. The first meeting of Indian CARICOM foreign minister was held on 15th February 2005. The Parmido Suriname on the sideline of the CARICOM summit. The possible area of the cooperation identified at the meeting included India membership of the Caribbean Development Bank, through which India would be able to coordinate, develop, and integration projects in the region, and also promotion in goods, services, and investment with the greater Indian participation in the Caribbean infrastructure development, also the regional investment, supply of removal of the drugs, fighting against the HIV and also the AIDS. The next significant high-level interactions between the two sides commenced with the first meeting of India CARICOM Joint Commission held in the Georgetown, Guinea. And also the two sides discussed issues relating on the cooperation in capacity building, promotion of bilateral trade, enhance the people-to-people contact, facilitation of visas, etc. Discussion were also further focused on the strengthening of India CARICOM bilateral relations through systems to cooperation and regional multilateral issues, where the areas of the cooperation and development, that is in political relations, that is a ministerial meeting 2017 announced that the emergency aid, that is 2 lakh US dollar to the worst affected Caribbean countries and also 1 lakh dollar each of the Antigua and Barbuda and Dominica is additional $2 $2 million, that is to India UN Partnership Fund for South-South cooperation and also the rehabilitation project of CARICOM. This recently 2019 Indian Prime Minister offered 14 million US dollar grant for quick impact community development project in the CARICOM countries. There is a political relationship that measure to taken the strengthen the CARICOM bilateral relations during the meeting decided to establish India CARICOM task force to reinvigorate India CARICOM cooperation and also economy. Both countries have vowed cooperation relating to the promotion of the business in trade and also enhancement of the people to people contact and also organizing training programs in various sections, particularly in the animal and all the dairy sectors and also drug regulator and also sharing expertise traditional medicines, holding business events in the cultural festival and also facilitation of the visa process. India also called building a roadmap of cooperation in the field of response or respective organizations, small and medium enterprises. There is other areas that both entities also exchange views of the regional and also the multilateral issues such as terrorism, climate change, sustainable development, etc. These addition inviting CARICOM member countries to join the International Solar Alliance. In this perspective, India offered US dollar 150 million line of credit to the CARICOM countries for the solar and also the climate change related project. Recently, government of Antigua and Barbuda joined International Solar Alliance. India Vaccine Maitri initiative resulted in the humanitarian donation of rupees 5.7 lakh dosages of vaccine to the Caribbean region. And also in software and information technology, Indian technical and economic cooperation program is one of the uh, it's a pronged and also developed partnership administration established in 2012 Ministry of External Affairs in the Affairs India with CARICOM. There is a geographical barriers between India and CARICOM. That is a primary reason for the trade and investment carried cited as long distance and complicated sea routes, resulting in the higher transportation costs and also the allied costs such as insurance, etc. There are no direct sea trade rules and shipment have been passed through the different ports and also there is a lack of information how to business with these countries as a business risk that deters the business from exploring opportunities and also the cultural barriers that challenges to greater economic ties also include the poor understanding of each other, including a major deficit that Spanish, Portuguese language skills in India with lack of proficiency in English parts of these countries. So way forward that having the advantages of feasible Indian diasporic community in the region along with the natural complementary the product of trade with the region. CARICOM region is apt for closer cooperation and also exploring future avenues and also interaction for the India, both bilateral, multilateral, based on the multiple areas of mutual interest concerns. Thank you so much.